Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with another video. We have a 2004 Mustang GT client just bought at a Toyota dealership. Supposedly some safety stuff was inspected and done, and on the way home, or one day later, they had a major coolant leak. The intake manifold broke where there's a heater hose that goes into it. Maybe not. Anybody knew about that? It's hard to say. But what they should have known is these rotors on the front are severely grooved because somebody went metal to metal on them and just put new pads on. So when that happens, ruins the pad as well, as you get grooves in them. Upon further investigation, we realized why they didn't change them, because they rounded off the bolts that hold the caliper hanger on. So just be aware, if you're going to a dealer to buy a used car, it doesn't mean it's going to be any better than a used car dealer, because this was a new car dealer. So just have your car looked at before you buy it. Thank you.